Yeah. Hello everybody, we're playing some more Infected. I am with Luke.
Hey.
And we are on Warhawk. Luke, I'm gonna block the door if I'm the first one there. Well then you can't get in. Luke, come towards me. Luke, where are you going? Luke! Don't knife me. Luke, follow me. I know the best spot to go. Follow me. You camp here. It's actually a pretty good spot. But I only do it when I'm like the last one left or something. Oh, he left. I just realised I'm using the same music for like every video. I didn't really change it. I didn't think of it. I just opened it up and played it. The flip. Oh, Luke's climbed out. So now it's just me. Less of sorrow. Oh, that was nearly near it down. That was quite dangerous. And now I'm doing it. It's low. Come on. Oh, we're talking like flies. Please. Alright, there's 5 of us left. I think if I get the chem here, I will be the best player in the world. I don't have long enough gun. Oh, you missed! You noob. They can't even get up there. I think I'm safe. When you three, there's 3 of us left, there's 2 of us. Don't die. Wow. Come on then. Trap. 9 kills, come on. Come on. Okay. No, I got caught reloading and in that building I couldn't see. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.